What's up, traders? This is Vee Trades, and today I will be doing a technical analysis breakdown for SoFi Technologies with the ticker symbol SOFI. I will first be going over what I see on the daily chart and finish the video off with the weekly chart. So we're going to do a market structure update for SoFi Technologies. Make sure you get the likes up. Let's see if we can get the likes to 100 for this video. So last time I looked at SoFi was on this week, Tuesday. And you can see that price was right over here on this green bar. It was at the 931 level. And then I was expecting more downside. So I drew out this pattern that SoFi can follow. Since we were above the $9 level, we could have gotten a bounce outside of this blue channel up to the $10 level and then a rejection back down. But obviously that didn't occur, which is okay. It was still going towards the target that I had, which was the $8 level, because that level is acting as a magnet for price because it has been tested multiple times as support and resistance. So it's a key level, and since SoFi was looking weak for this uptrend, there's a good chance we were going to come back to that $8 level. So overall, SoFi, was trading up here at the $9.31 level, $9.32 level. You can see the blue channel overrid that bounce up, and then price just continued to drop down lower on Wednesday, Thursday, and even today. We saw a little pullback to fill in the gap that was created, but overall this is still bearish. So I'm still looking for the $8 level. I think this blue channel could be a little bit more shallower because we're still kind of in this channel. So this still looks like one large leg down. So something like this doesn't have to be exactly perfectly on the price bars, but it basically represents the drop. So either we go, either we continue the fashion that we're currently moving in towards the $8 level, like right now, next week, or we pull back up to the $9.06 level. So we can pull back to the $9 level and then go lower, or we just go lower from where we are right now. And why am I even saying lower? Because we're still below the $9 level that was previous support. Now we just broke it. We're below the EMA, and like I said before, this level, $8 level, has been acting as a magnet since price has been basically moving down lower. So that's why I'm looking for lower price targets. Now let's just say we see a massive push up above the $9 level. Then that kind of changes things. It can hold it. If it holds it, then I'll be looking for higher price targets. So if we see some catalyst come in the market that pushes up price above the $9.10 level, low $9 level, just around it for easiness, then obviously price will probably go up higher. So something like that would invalidate the downside target, but we haven't seen that yet, and I don't think that can occur because it looks still pretty bearish to me, the price action. So either we see two legs back to retest that $9 level and then sell off, or we just sell off right now. And why am I even looking for a pullback is because this is kind of a sharp move down, just like how we had a sharp move up right here. SoFi eventually pulled back after the impulse up. So this is a sharp impulse. I'm expecting a pullback eventually. So either we get it now or later. Either way, I'm looking for a lower price target for SoFi. Look for the $8 level. We'll see if it acts as support. There's a good chance it will. If it doesn't, then there's still more downside left for SoFi. It could technically come back down all the way to the mid $5 level, because that's where the starting point of this entire up move was. So it could technically go there. That's not something we just say it can never get there. It can definitely get there, but let's just focus on the price action right now. This uptrend has played out. We are definitely in a downtrend. You can't ignore that. Maybe when this downtrend ends, we can look for another uptrend, but right now we got to focus on the downtrend. Downtrend is in play. Target is the $8 level. Either we pull back and then go to the $8 level, or we get there next week. Or right away. So that's all I have for SoFi on the daily chart. Still looking pretty weak either way. Now here's the weekly chart. You can see that we have 2 consecutive red weeks in a row, very large red bars. This is what happens when price gets overextended from the EMA. EMA is catching up to the price, and it's right around the high 7s, low 8s. So maybe then we'll get the bounce. So that's what the weekly chart is telling me. After that, we can probably still see another push up higher because the measure move at the 1341 has not been met yet. So we can still see another push up from the bulls to that target, as long as we stay above the $8 level. We don't want to see price get too low to like the mid $7 level. That might be too low. But either way, this is short-term bearish price action for long-term bullish price action. So that's how I'm looking at SoFi Technologies on the daily and weekly charts. I've been pretty accurate so far, and I'll continue with looking for that target until it's met, until something also changes my mind. That's all I have for SoFi Technologies this week, Friday, and I'll give you guys an update on Tuesday. This is Vee Trades, and thank you for your time. The Vee Trades technical analysis course is now live. Learn to read the chart the right way to prevent costly mistakes. Click the link below to start training now.